All right, guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to use the Rivian onboard air compressor. Some of you may know, and some of you may not, that the Rivian has an onboard air compressor that we can see right here. You see this thing right here? Lift it up, and right here it says 0.0 PSI. You gotta connect the hose, and you could blow any tire on the truck and even any other car as well. So we're gonna use it on this Tesla Model 3 right here. So to get the hose, you come over here, you open the gear tunnel. When you buy the truck, it comes on the gear tunnel on the left side. And you see there, you open the compartment, and you have to open this bag right here. In the bag, you come with this on-road tire sealant, which you could use when you get a flat on the road or off-roading, and it'll be really handy in that case. But right here, we have the hose. That's quite long, and it has to be, right, to reach all the tires on the vehicle from all the way back here. And the R1Ss come with this as well. I'd be curious to see if the Rivian's R2 models, which are its latest, cheaper generation, if they'll come with an onboard air compressor. And we don't even know if the Cybertruck will come with one. Let's see. But you connect it here. Either end works. You have to hold this back like that. You have to push it in good, and then release the thing you were holding back, and now it's locked into place. Now this itself, you can't connect it to a tire by its own. You have to put on a little clip on the end that'll do it for you. So the clip is in the bag too. Come here.
It's an adapter.
It's not an adapter.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know if you call it an adapter
It's definitely an adapter.
if it's not electric.
Oh my God.
Or if it's not digital. So then you have to put this in like this. Again, you have to hold it back. Like that. Now it's pretty secure on there. Now, you bring out the hose to your tire. So we know for sure that this tire right here is a little flat. So we got to give it some air. Click this right here, push it in, release, and it's locked. Now let's look at the PSI. What do we have here? 30 PSI. So Tesla recommends 42 or 43 PSI, but we're gonna give it a little extra air to make ourselves to the tire shop to repair the flat tire. But here, you see the plus, minus, and pause and play buttons here? You use the plus and minus buttons to set the PSI that you want. So 45 is pretty good. It's at 45, and we'll press play. Now it says on. Now it's going to be blowing air right now. We'll see how long it takes.
A few moments later.
So let's see what it says here. It says 44 PSI. We had set it to 45, but it's on the margin. So that's pretty good. We'll take it to the tire shop and we'll repair the tire there. But thankfully, Rivian was here to save the day for now. And it'll be there to save the day when you're driving your Rivian.
Or your Cybertruck.
Or your Cybertruck. You'll use your Rivian to save your Cybertruck. So sadly, the Rivian tires are not run flats. So the tire sealant material right there and the onboard air compressor will definitely come in handy when you get a flat tire.